Welcome back, everyone. Here's a live look from our NBC 25 Skycam over Saginaw. The river frozen now with snow on top of that ice. We've got snow on the roadways, secondary and interstate roadways are snow covered from last night's round of snow that moved through a little after, we'll say 9-10 o'clock was when the intensity started to pick up, and then it lasted into this morning before leaving, and another round is moving through. So what you're looking at, this is a satellite and radar composite loop. It shows the clouds and the precipitation that's falling, and where you see the blue is snow. Dark blue pockets indicate heavier bands of snow, and most of the heavy snow stayed from the Tri-Cities north and west, where we picked up 2 to 3 inches. We had about an inch or so or less in the thumb and along Interstate 69, but more now developing from Mount Pleasant to Alma, and the general movement will be off to the east and northeast. So we're not done with the snow showers just yet. We'll have them really as we go throughout the next 24 hours. Then we have to watch for a little bit of lake effect snow going into the next 2 to 3 day period. It's chilly out there. No wonder we saw the snow, right? With temperatures so far below freezing, especially in Beaverton, down to 23, 27 in Essexville, 29 in Reese and Lapeer, 27 in Corunna. We average a low of about 23 this time of year, so most of us are a little above that because we have the clouds with the snow. Remember, clouds at night, they act like a blanket and trap what little bit of warmth we had the previous day here at the surface. Now notice west of this next band of snow, we've got the clear skies, and there is some very cold air out towards the west because of those clear skies, and another Arctic air mass that'll be moving in as we head into the next few days. It is -10 now in Bismarck, 5 in Minneapolis, 11 in Marquette, while we are sitting into the upper 20s right now. But that cold air will continue to filter in over the next couple of days, and of course that cold air has to traverse Lake Superior and Lake Michigan before it arrives here in mid-Michigan, and that sets the stage for a little bit of lake effect snow. And we're going to talk about how this all happens. We have the relatively warmer waters of Lake Michigan that are running about 35 to 40 degrees this time of year, and that warmer water causes a little bit of evaporation to occur and a layer of warm air just above the surface of the lake. Well, as that cold air moves in over that warmer air, that warm air will start to rise and eventually cool to the point where it will condense and form some clouds. And then downwind of Lake Michigan, with the winds coming out of the northwest, we get some snow that develops from that. And that'll be what we see again, not only today with this system that's moved through, but as we head into the next 24 hours, the lake effect snow will start to pick up on the western side of the state, and that will bring some of this in here as we go from today into tomorrow. So this is 4 o'clock this afternoon, a few snow showers out there. By midnight tonight, we'll start to see them clearing out, and then heading into tomorrow morning, we'll watch northwestern sections starting to see a little bit more lake effect snow, and some of that will slide south and east as we go throughout the day. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. It features a very wintry-like pattern out there, even though winter not officially here for a few more days. 31 today, that was the high set this morning. Will actually be cooler this afternoon. 22 tomorrow as that Arctic air mass moves in. 20 on Wednesday. By the time we head to Wednesday night to Thursday morning, Joel, we are looking at temperatures into the single digits. Some spots could even approach 0 by Thursday morning.